Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 30th, 2012, Monday morning, and commodity markets across the board are seeing some pressure as a risk-off type attitude is happening here today as money flows away from commodities. The main reason for that is the European Union is getting the headlines again. They're having another summit here starting today. That is to focus on the financial problems of the European community, and the Greek debt is also a focus on how to deal with it. There was some economic news out of Spain here this morning that put the GDP at a lowest level since 2008. So giving some concern in the euro. The euro is seeing some weakness compared to the dollar. But you got to remember, the dollar was under tremendous pressure last week, so getting some short covering there as well. Other news, Sarkozy in France is raising his VAT tax again, up to 21.2% from 19.6%. He also announced that he plans on taxing security transactions here starting in August. So some huge uncertainty in the market there, causing pressure and carrying over into the commodity markets here today. Weather issues in South America, Argentina, and southern Brazil. Looks like they're going to get some moisture. There is areas in southern Brazil yet that are concerned about dryness, although it appears like they've all had some moisture. This next week will limit moisture in some areas, and that could provide some underlying support here. But according to Drew Lerner from World Weather Inc., he feels that there really won't be any crop damage. There'll be just some dry areas of concern that has to be monitored. Also hearing on Friday already that basis levels at some of the ethanol plants in central Indiana, central Illinois, that have dropped their basis as much as 10 cents over the last week. And this is might be giving us an indication that we've seen enough corn move, and demand is filled up here in the near term for a bit. Still, Gulf basis appears to be strong, and as the weather problems with too much rain in northern Brazil and harvest delays and drought in Argentina is slowing down shipments of grain out of South America, buyers have come to the U.S. or shippers have come to the U.S. in order to meet needs on commitments, and that has helped support corn and soybean basis, and again corn and soybean prices in our U.S. market. So we suggest be very observant of that. If you got cash grain to move, we'd certainly take a look at offering some to the market at this point in time, as once we run out of this export demand, things could slide a bit before we could buy demand back. In the livestock trade, cattle market had the USDA yearly inventory numbers out on Friday. They were pretty much neutral to a little bullish in some of the areas. The bullishness to near-term prices, however, might be coming in the beef replacement heifers, which was a huge surprise compared to what the trade was looking for at 101.5%. And that number suggests that cattle are being taken out of feedlots and held back for replacements, in which keeps cattle supplies tight here for a period of time, and that should be supportive, or could be supportive to price. However, in the cash trade late on Friday, there was some cash cattle traded at 124 in the south. That was $2 lower than last week. A lot of feedlots passed at that level. They're hoping to get more money this week. We'll see as the standoff continues. cutout values continue to slide. On Friday, we had choice down 49 cents, select down 65. As cutout values continue to slide, it certainly doesn't help packer margins when they're paying 124, 126, and they're at record red margins right now. In the pork side of things, not much news there. The cutout value was down 3 cents, and we'd expect livestock markets to open steady lower here this morning. And as the fundamental news, and also they'll be getting some pressure from the outside markets as well. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. Check out our advisory report that we've got on the web, the Allendale Research Center. You can log on and subscribe to that right online. Or if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.